mistaken, which was struck down by the Supreme Court. You are also a politician, I am also a politician. If a person is defamed, one could file a police complaint, person was duly arrested and action taken according to the law. But after that section was struck down by Supreme Court in the name of freedom of a citizen, today the only alternative, you and I are politicians, so many politicians are sitting on the stage, you spend years building a reputation. You have got a certain standing, whether it's a businessman, politician, respected citizen. But person who don't have any standing in society just take the social media and defame you on untruth, on absolutely things which have never happened, and there is no remedy. Judges have got protection. The same people from Supreme Court or other courts who give the judgment, contempt of court, they are duly protected. And we as politicians, as businessmen, as common citizens are subject to this part, which is very unhealthy thing for society. Then what will happen one day in society? People will forget going as per law and they will directly take action. This is going to breed. If there is going to be contempt of court as far as judges are concerned, IT Ministry should consider bringing about some legislation where there is no contempt for truth. People, when they defame you, should not be based on untruth or something totally wrong and disastrous for a person's reputation.
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स आता सगळ्याकडे पसरला आणि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्सचे खूपच पॉईंट आसा पूण ताजे बरोबर थोडे जे मायनर हे आसा सायबर क्रायम आसा बाकीचे क्रायम आसा सो ताजोय बी एक भाग आसा सो ताणें सांगिल्ले ते प्रमाणे गव्हर्मेंट इज ऑल्सो वर्किंग ऑन हाव टू रिड्यूस दीस सायबर क्रायम्स एंड हाव टू इन्क्रीज द रीच ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स एंड हाव टू पुट इट टू अ व्हेरी ज्युडिशियस यूज म्हणजे सारको यूज कसो जातलो ताचो तांकां बरो यूज कसो जातलो लोकांक ताचो बरो फायदो कसो जातलो हे आमी पळोवपाची गरज आसा दॅट इज वॉट मिनिस्टरान सांगलां की फुडल्या काळान इवन दो मेजर ट्रस्ट इज ऑन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स दे वील सी दॅट ऑल दीस नेगेटीव पॉयंट्स ऑर lacunas म्हणटा तशें दे वील रिड्यूस.
Relevant. True. India is also going in for its LLM models, foundation models, like the US and China have done. The first step for that was to get people GPUs, correct, which has been done by the Indian government. We were thinking of getting 10,000, we've got 18,000, and now we can give our entrepreneurs, our researchers, our innovators that GPU access for them to build a foundation model in India. So India is there, it is working on its own foundation model, and very soon you'll have it.